Hi kids, good morning. I am back with taken another art and craft activity for you. So today I am going to do art and craft activity for you. So you all have to try this activity with your parents. For making this wall hanging, we have to need one cardboard material, one cello tape, glue, a colorful tapes, ribbons. I am having these two ribbons. You can take another color of ribbon also. A scale, a pencil, a scale and the scissor. And the most important thing, I am using this A4 size paper. You can use another newspaper. Yeah, you can take a old notebook paper. Students, so let's start our procedure. For making the roll of this paper, I am using this pencil. So students, you also can take one small stick. Yeah, you can take a pencil. I am going to roll it. You can see what is the procedure of rolling. I will keep here my pencil like this, and with the help of my two hands, I am moving it like this and rolling it like this. We have to roll like this. Slowly you can roll like this. See students, how beautifully it works. This is the procedure. We have to roll like this and take a glue on it like this. Here we can take a glue. See, it's enjoyable, and we have to paste like this. So students, my rolling sticks are ready. So let's start our next procedure. See, I am going to decorate my stick. I am having this ribbon. You can use other things like some thread. Yeah, you can use a colorful paper on that. I am using this ribbon. See my procedure. How can I roll it? Slowly I will take this ribbon like this on that stick, and it will look awesome. After when we will roll this ribbon on that, it will look very beautiful like this. See my procedure. It will be looking too good, and I am going to paste it with the help of cello tape. See, I am going to do like this. See my stick. Have you looking it? My sticks, I done it with ribbon. You can also decoration as yourself, as you like. Anything you can use. You can use stones, you can use color it, you can paint it, anything you can do. Now I am going to frame it. You can see how can I paste. I am going to paste it. Let's start for pasting. We can take these two sticks like this, same color. These we have to use, and we have to take one red color. Like this we have to paste. See, this is, I am going to do a paste. Friends, I already done it my work. I frame it my sticks. I paste it like this here and there, and see the look how it is. It's look good. Now I am going to do other things. I am taking the one cardboard and using it for the pot. I take this cardboard and cut it like this, and I have to cut it like this. Now I will put a glue on it here. Here I will put a glue and paste it like this. See here, I am going to paste with the glue. Like this we have to paste. I make this box with the help of this cardboard. I will paste it here with the help of glue. Now I am going to decorate this box with the help of these sticks. I will cut these sticks with the taking this height. Here I will cut and do the decoration of stick also, and paste it here and here. So I am going to paste it, and after that I will After decorate, I will paste this box here like this. See, this will be come like that. I am pasting here it and going to decorate with the sticks that I already decorated. Like this I am going to decorate with the help of glue. Here I am going to paste like this. Students, see, my wall hanging is ready. Dun, dun, dun. Now see how I am looking it. See here, how can I decorate? I will put one stick by one and one flower I will look here and one hanger I will keep here. So I will show you the final look of this wall hanging. Students, our final look of our wall hanging. See here, it's look beautiful now. You can put here flower in that. Anything you can put and it will look like this. How it is beautiful. You can remove this flower and see the look of our wall hanging. Now see students, you all can try these wall hanging with your parents. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.